Assalamualaikum. My name is Amirul, Haziq, and Jefry, and I'm from Group 5. My other team is Hariz, Saifuddin, bin Hairuddin, Muhammad Zaim, Marwan bin Mazlan, and Muhammad Iqbal, Afiq bin Mohammad. For our group, we choose air conditioner. This is table of content. First is for introduction. Second is analysis. Third is operation project, and fourth is the costing. For the introductions, we have project background. We choose College to Nusin on Malaysia because it has tons of offices like local location, grounds, and others. But nonetheless, there are still a few issues looked by the understudies, particularly understudies from workforce of electrical and electronic faculty. For an example, on the building are not functionable, and some of the building doesn't have air conditioner. It can make trouble for some lecturers and also for students. Therefore, we are being appointed an assignment to propose an air conditioner administration and furthermore establishment project. For the problem statement, heating, ventilating, and air conditioning, that is HVAC frameworks, are among the principal establishment in private, business, and modern structures. Accomplishing these goals requires a reasonable control framework plan. Therefore, these days, air conditioning systems are generally found in homes and openly encased space because of the normal interest for warm solace. In any case, at this moment, there gives off an impression of being an absence of air conditioning system, and some of them are not functionable at a portion of the FKE working at UTHM. Worried into this issue, we have found that there is an appeal to an item which taking care of this issue and make understudies and furthermore the structures more straightforward to educate during the sweltering temperature environment. For the project objectives and goals, we have 6 objectives and goals. That the first, to fix a messed up air conditioner system to be working and establishment another air conditioning system. And then we need to find clear issues in warming and cooling frameworks with a visual assessment. After that, we need to test air conditioner system effectiveness and tensions. Therefore, we need to find the spills in the refrigeration framework, and we need to analyze and fix the issues part. And finally, we need to establishment of another air conditioner system on certain spots that doesn't have the offices. I give it to my other group members.
Next, we go to the analysis. So for the first, I will go to the filler table. So filler table means F for the fact, I for idea, L for learning idea, and A for action plan. So for the first, spending long hours in air conditioning of office or home may cause we suffer heat intolerance when we go outside. For the idea, we must make sure the temperature of air conditioner are not so cold and set it into the ambient temperature. So for learning ideas, we know the suitable temperature to set, and for the action plan, the suitable ambient temperature is at 21 degrees. So next, we need plenty energy, which can cause electrical bills become expensive. So for the idea, we need to try to find the energy efficient air conditioner, and second is we can use usage of timer, which only turn on when we use the aircon. So for learning idea, energy efficient air conditioner and a timer, and for the action plan, we can use only 5-star energy saving rated air conditioner. And for the third, the use of air conditioner can also be bad for our skin. Our skin may be dry out, and some people whose skin is especially sensitive may experience some skin issues. For the idea, we need to increase the humidity of the room. When humidity level is ideal for our skin, it will not drying easily. The action plan is by using the humidifier. And for the last, one important problem of air conditioning is that they are often to breeding ground for all kind of bacteria. So for idea, air conditioner system are not cleaned properly on regular basis could have mold and fungus that could bring respiratory problem. For learning ideas, cleaning and servicing air conditioner regularly, And for the action plan, servicing air conditioning every 4 to 6 months. So next. So as we can see here, the figure shows that the Ishikawa diagram which contain cause and effect of air conditioner. As we can see, for the health, maintenance expensive, mold and broken. So here is cause and effect of the air conditioner. Next. So next we go to potential. There are some potential when air conditioner being installed. Cleverly designed air conditioner system can take heat and humidity away, dispersing the energy elsewhere where it's needed, ensuring your business critical equipment safe. For example, server needs air conditioner since server could generate a lot of heat. So next we go to the threatened problem. When rooms are closed off and airflow through the house is disturbed, common central air conditioning problem emerge. If having a room air conditioner, to the opposite is true. Other common issues with the current air conditioning include improper installation, service technique and upkeep. So next I will pass to the next person.
Okay, next for the operation project. So this our project schedule in here. We are setting a milestone is an important aspect of the project management. So the process allow us to create a clear and enable a project plan, while enabling we to see and monitor our progress. So this our schedule our project. We first meet the advisor, and then visit and survey, research the conditioner, write a review, identify cause and effect, and then we write up the solution analysis and update the data. After that, we cost analysis. We get agreement from the advisor. After we get agreement from the advisor, we procure the material or find the material, and then we need to install and maintenance. And after that, the final part is commission and inspect. So we target our project finish is 31 days. So next slide. So this our map location for our project is for as a benefit for our worker and employee to find a location more effective. And the address is Block QB, University Tun Hussein On, Malaysia, at 6400 Batu Pahat, Johor. So in Block QB we have 2 lecture hall and 7 tutorial room and 11 laboratory. So we need to check all the room whether we need to maintenance or we for the installation, for new installation aircon. Okay, next slide. So this two type aircon we need to use for the new installation. So the wall motor type we use a Panasonic 1.5 horsepower. Its benefit is simple, straightforward and efficient, a cost efficient and low maintenance solution, and also a simple installation. And for the second, we use a ceiling suspended type Panasonic 2.0 horsepower to 6.5 horsepower. So the benefit is wide angle airflow and wide motion sensor and auto swing lower. Okay, next slide. So the brand and type of air conditioner we use is of course we use two type, wall mounted type and ceiling suspended type, and brand we use a Panasonic in here. So this is a review from the from Japan founded brand that from the main feature to consider down to an in-depth review of its popular aircon series and types. So this our pros and cons. For the pros, reliable aircon performance in terms of cooling capacity, durability and longevity of unit, and there no issue with the service and repair compatibility, as a major aircon service provider can tend the units. And third, units are equipped with innovative aircon features. And cons, limited selection of aircon types and model, and second, can be quite expensive when compared to mid-tier aircon brand. Okay, next slide. So after there's Zaim.
Okay, thank you, Hariz. And now I will be presenting about the costing part. And this table show the project cost for a unit. So as you can see, we provide two type of air conditioner, which is for the Panasonic Deluxe R32 Aero Series, and for the shielding exposed non-inverter air conditioner. So the installation of the air conditioner is depend on the size of the room. So this is the price, as you can see here. And the other part is for the spare part in the overhaul system. Next. So as you can see, we provide the three type of maintenance, which is for the basic cleaning, chemical cleaning, and for overhaul. For basic cleaning, we only cleaning inside the indoor unit, and while the chemical cleaning, we cleaning internal component of the air conditioner with chemical. And for the overhaul, we top up the gas and repair or replace the broken part in the air conditioner. So this is the price. And while for the cost of installation, is referred to the type of air conditioner used for installation, and including installation fees, which is 40 ringgit, is equal to manpower fees. And this is the two type of air conditioner that I said before. Next. Okay, so this is project estimate fee. This table shows the total estimate fees for the project to be done. It based on the report that we done in the FKE building by checking all the room. So for the maintenance, for the basic cleaning only, we have 8 total of room, and for the chemical cleaning we have 2, and for overhaul we have 3, and for the installation for the new part we have 5, and for installation for the exposed non-inverter air conditioner we have 2. So after plus all the prices, the total estimate fee is equal to 25630.00. So as a conclusion, I think we surely have provided the better quality and service of the project for the installation of the air conditioner in FKE building compared to the past management. That's all from us. Thank you.
Okay, big clap for you guys, this group. I have a question. It's not a question, it's just discussion. So how did you do this cost analysis? From where you get this all information? Macam mana you buat yang cost analysis? Yang harga semua.
Cost analysis.
Cost analysis semua. How do you know this?
Price tu kita orang ambil dekat internet.
Okay, tapi macam mana you tahu the chemical cleaning and all this categorization lah?
We made a research about air conditioner service.
Very good research. Okay, semua lah, all of you. Because I can see that actually the way you presented is like very clear, right? It's very clear that regarding the cost, also activity plan, then good project activity plan, and time division also very fine. 31 hari yang ini nanti, berapa hari?
Yes, betul. 1 month.
1 month, it's very good. Just satu je yang saya nampak macam satu cause and effect graph tu macam tak clear sangat. So I just commented, but not clear graph. Okay. So any graph we remember you present, make sure that we kena pastikan dari yang graph tu jelas lah, boleh baca semua, reader boleh, yang audience boleh baca lah yang punya graph. Okay, good job guys. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Welcome.
Thank you, Doctor.
Next group is